Can somebody tell me what this is supposed to mean? Does that mean pass the guy on the sidewalk? What is going on with this dude? Guess what? I lose. I'm gonna pull over, see if that vacuum line's still on the throttle body. You know, hopefully it just popped off. I put that sucker back on, but I got a problem. There's something else going on. I got a feeling that that throttle body line ain't gonna be fixed like that. Check engine. I did check the engine. Let me get my magic marker out. Put a big old check mark on that thing. Alright, stupid check engine light. Under this guy here, called the EEC test. Be the rest of this. Just run a jumper. Because I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just going to stick a wire in there. And the other end of that wire is going to go in this gray box here. I'm going to have to switch to the into this gray box here. Can't do it on camera because I can't hold this and film at the same time. And so that's basically it. Went in the gray thing. This has got a long side and a short side. I'm going to go on the short side to get yours in there. And this one is going to be called Good Luck. No, I actually think they call it Key On, Engine Off. Let's see what happens. See, nothing happened. Maybe I have to turn the key a little bit further. There we go. So where were you guys? Missed all the fun and the test with the engine running. Alright, for this guy, found out it's a lot better if I stick that wire in the bigger part of that connector there instead of the little part. Just doesn't seem to work when it's in a little part. I'm gonna give it another shot here. There we go. All right, here we go. Got 7, 3, 2. I don't know what that was. I wasn't watching. There's a 3. 3, 2. I think those are separators that tell you it's going to start again. It's my 7, 3, 2, and then the 1, 3, 3, 2. Alright, I came up with a 732 and a 332. I could be entirely wrong. The flashes in between them just means get ready for the next set of numbers. Or it means you're screwed, Bob. Alright, so for the 332 we followed this green vacuum line. I actually started over here on the top of this guy here and followed him back. And he goes to right there. When I got to right there, the edge of this green vacuum line. Where'd you go, buddy? Alright. The edge of this green vacuum line. There he is. Was not hooked into the top of that. So all I did was hook that green vacuum line into there. And I did a key on, engine off, and it said 565, which means vacuum canister purge failure. That's not the vacuum canister. It's a little Campbell's soup looking thing here. So I figured it didn't know nothing because I hadn't actually started the truck. So what I did was start up the truck. And once I started up the truck, gonna wait for it to do those flashes. And then you're gonna turn the wheel, step on the brake, play with your overdrive button, and you're going to wait for it to flash again. You're going to slam on the gas. Usually it waits for the idle to kick down, and then it's going to do that flash to slam on the gas. But last time I did this and you guys were gone again. I don't know where you keep going. If off of beer runs or pizza runs, I don't know what's going on. You guys keep disappearing. What it flashed was 1, 1, 1. And I'm not sure, but I think that means everything's okay. Okay, the idle's kicking down. We're gonna wait for that flash. Come on, buddy. There goes the flash. Can you give it a nice one of those? I said, I read your flash, I read your gas. There's a 1. Anyway, 1, 1, 1. And I really think that means I'm all okay now. So all I'm going to do is take it out for another drive. See if my check engine light stays off this time. I'm ready to go. My mistake, I'm not ready to go. I forgot to unhook the test wire. Gonna go for a record right around here. Maybe almost a mile up the road is where the check engine light went off last time. I had a scare. I turned on the blinker. I saw something flashing, and I was like, "Oh no, the light's on again!" It just turned out to be that blinker. Yeah, this is a nice little country spot. If you get enough speed on this hill, you can lose your stomach going down this hill. It's great. Just got to do a little faster than the speed limit, but it's like a roller coaster. It's great. Way out here in the country, it's kind of cool. They got gun club out here where you can shoot your shotguns at clay targets. A lot of old homes are out here. But then again, rich people found out about this place and started moving in and set up a whole neighborhood out here. That's where I pulled over to check the check engine light last time. Oops, going a little fast. You know, my truck never used to speed. I don't know what it is. Lately, it just seems to want to go faster and faster. So this is the spot. To make it past here, I just set a record. No check engine light. Alright, to celebrate, I couldn't plan ahead and make it into the drive-thru without backing up. I mean, to celebrate fixing the check engine light. Thought I'd treat myself to Burger King. Because, you know, a double beef cheeseburger with ketchup, mayonnaise, and lettuce, some onion rings, some fries, and a sundae pie, and no check engine light. Yeah, buddy.